Okay. So first of all, I would like to ask. Okay, you can talk later on also what you felt actually. But anyway, the time is there. So I asked my own students, my UG and PG students, how did you feel actually? ये बच्चे UG PG students जो हैं, how did they feel about this conference? सुनाइए क्या? कौन बोलेगा? बोलते जाओ। 2 मिनट बोलो, ज़्यादा नहीं। शुरू होंगे तो कब शुरू होंगे? बेसिकली हर फ्राइडे को हमने क्या किया है? Yeah, you can speak. Yeah, you first you introduce and then.
Hello, myself Abha Sahu. I am from MSc first and second semester. It was a really nice experience for me. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे डेलीगेट्स आए हैं। इन लोगों से बात करने का, आप लोगों से बात करने का बहुत अच्छा मौका मिला। बहुत कुछ हम लोगों ने सीखा है यहाँ पे। Thank you so much for coming and encouraging us for do further jobs, giving us the opportunity to आगे बढ़ने की हमें प्रेरणा दी आप लोगों ने। Thank you.
Anyway, just actually those who are the delegates, let me show you something here. You see here in the left hand side, these are the drawings, handmade drawings. These handmade drawings done by our own students from BSc first year to MSc final year. Since only 4 out of some number selected for the first, second, and third, fourth prize. So we were thinking what to do the leftover. So we thought that this is the best opportunity to our students' confidence, that to enhance their confidence for this drawing. So that's why it was displayed by them, and we have seen that our students are not only good in mathematics, they are good in drawing. They are good in singing, good in dancing, and but one thing I want to say, you have to improve your interaction ability also. If somebody says that speak something, don't say no, I will say. So unless you speak like that, so it is not actually very difficult to live in this real world. And for the delegates, I have to share something. I have resumed as a head of the department January 2017. 1 minute.
गोल गोल काला काला
What we have done is to enhance the knowledge of these students, because from third year onwards, our students are in our department, but first year and second year they are actually, I can say, in the freshman building, I can say, because there is a lot of subjects together they are going through that. So we have planned and we started the seminars That is every Friday we fixed 2.5 hours seminars, and most of the lectures were over by Thursday itself, and hectic it was. Sometimes they complained also that why the lectures are right from 12 to 6 or sometimes 1 to 6. Most of the time 1 to 6 only. And but I was not ready to actually listen them that why it is up to 6. Of course, I fought with my administration, and I saw that vehicles should leave the campus 6:15. That our this young buddies, they should finish their classes by 6, and they board the buses on time. This is the demand of our students itself. Because what the seminar does is it enhances your confidence. That is what actually the seminars we mean. This was done, and what the ultimate results we have seen. Our students started selecting in many summer schools, ATM schools. So this is a great achievement that our students are getting interest in research in basic sciences. So this we have done, and we can find many of them also. They are trying to explore themselves right from the second year onwards, second year BSc onwards. So this is what is going on. Not many in number, but number is there. The set is not empty set; is a non-empty set. So this is what going on, and we do hope that these students definitely come in numbers next time also. They increase their numbers also. One more thing happened very well. This because me and I am head and my senior is dean. So everything is in the department. He is the dean of the School of Mathematical and Computational Sciences. So this year we had the student council election also, and normally you know that from the mathematics side, no one wants to be anything. No one wants to resume any positions, and you will be wonder to know that the students, our quota is two students for our school, and 2 students from the merit. All the 4 students from the mathematics. They washed out other departments. All the 4 from computer science, there is no student. Only all the 4 students are in the student council. They are our own students. So we can understand that they are trying to enhance their leadership abilities also. So that is also going on. Plus our department faculty members also, they are very affectionate to the students, and students are also very good students. What I can say that I don't find any kind of confrontation. Even it comes, we take them, we talk them, console them, give proper counseling, and we have seen that they understand us, that these are our mentors who can see their future far better than what right now at this juncture sometimes they see. So this is what is happening, and we are very happy with that. And this conference, you can see that our students have participated like anything, and they have joined hand to hand. And in the conference also, their participation you can see on the left hand side. That is drawings what they have done. So this is what the department is going on. So it will take another, I think, few minutes that Professor Mohammad Imdad and Professor Shiri Rao, they are going to come, and we can start our valedictory session.
Session. May I request Professor Deshpande sir, please take a seat. Professor Viswari Rao sir, Professor Imdad sir, Dean of our school, Professor Anjali sir, and Dr. Murthy sir. Please take their seats. Now I request to Dr. Murthy sir for the report of this 3-day international conference.
Thank you, Dr. Manish, inviting me for the overall development of this international conference, 3 days international conference, that is International Conference on Mathematical Sciences and Applications, which started on 23rd of February to the till day, it is 24th of February. Sometimes I would like to speak in Hindi also, because my students may take it till in their heart also, so I can speak sometimes in Hindi also. The conference started on 23rd with the inaugural function, in which Honorable Vice Chancellor Madam, then Director Personnel, SECL Bilaspur, Dr. R.S. Jha, then Registrar of this University, Professor P.N. Tiwari, our Dean and Chairman of this conference, Professor Abhesharan Randive. They were present on the inaugural function and shared the dais along with our foreign delegate, Professor Shai Park. Dear friends, it is a very wonderful moment, I can say, and share a few incidents that overall registrations, apart from the invited speakers, keynote speakers, and some other eminent speakers, 151 registrations were done. That is a great achievement of this conference. As you know, we have as you know, we have published our abstract booklet souvenir. This publication part and some other part of this conference is sponsored by Coal India Limited, and in particular Southeastern Coals Limited, SECL Bilaspur. They are very kind, and on that day, those who are in the inaugural, they heard the voice of the Director Personnel. They are very kind to us, that granting that 1,50,000. Some miscommunication from the participants was also done, that when they have written submitted their abstract, the abstract was either incomplete in terms of sending simply their titles without names, without affiliation. When it was returned for name and affiliation, so sometimes I can say the mistake can be, I don't say mistake actually, I can say that it was the ignorance from sometimes it happens, because when you write continuously mail, and in particular in Gmail, it will attach and it won't show the new mail also sometimes. So that was happened, and because of that, so if you abstracts before 15th, well, I don't think before after 15th was left, and till the 13th I don't see that any abstract is left. After 16th we have not accepted a single abstract. Till the 16th evening, means 15th night and 16th evening, we have consulted and we have printed the abstract, and each part of the abstract booklet we have taken lot of care. And for this particular abstract, I am highly thankful to Dr. Varaprasad, who is patiently prepared that abstract. Because recently I visited EMS conference, Orlando, Florida, and there I have seen that what the quality of the abstracts they used to supply us. So I thought that the abstract, if not up to that mark, but at least we should try up to that level, and we achieved, dear friends, because we can see the quality of the abstract what printed therein. This is about the abstract. After that, we have received 28 new registrations till yesterday. Some new registrations were done today also. These are the late registrations. After 15th, we had the hike of registration fee. Normally in all the three category 500 rupees, and in the category of non-funding research students it was 200 rupees. So this is what regarding the abstract. Presentations were done very nicely. Yesterday, of course, the first day, because of the two conferences here, the national conference and our international conference, we are short of 2 hours on that day. Because of those 2 hours, yesterday was heavy pressure. But not only the conference presentation pressure, there are some other obligations also. Because of that pressure, so we have divided the conference into 4 parallel sessions. And these 4 parallel sessions are: one in fixed point theory and applications, the second one is differential geometry, another one is history of mathematics, another one is fuzzy logic and applications, another one is applicable mathematics, and then some other papers also presented yesterday. Means overall 5, but in one session, in one conference hall, it was half differential geometry and other applicable mathematics. We have excellent, eminent international speakers throughout this conference. You can see those who are sharing on dais. Professor Ashok Deshpande. I am highly thankful, Professor, that you are here. Your lecture today is a motivated lecture. Once I thought, why should I work on fuzzy logic? And today I am thinking that there are some nano type of properties in, or I can say the micro level of logic. I can see it, and there is a chance that one can work on that. Directly you can't find the applications, but one way you can find the applications. Thank you, Professor, that this kind of professor here, and I think all of us shared his views. I think Professor Srihari Rao's visit is also here, first time in this university as well as in this region also. We are very kind that Professor Srihari Rao, when I contacted him, so he said most probably I may be available. In case of any emergency, I have to go here and there, then let you know well in advance. But it was fixed that once he fixed the date, I think till then he never changed the date. Really, it's a great honor to this department that Professor Srihari Rao, who is working on mathematical modeling, dynamical systems, and some other things also. You can see here the mathematician Professor Muhammad Imdad, who is working in the area of fixed point theory and applications. Whenever you talk about him, he is not going to listen all those things. But this is true, friends. He is an excellent mathematician in the area of nonlinear functional space, that is fixed point theory and applications. and a very kind human being. That is proved by produced students by Professor Indar. You just pick the student's name of Professor Indar and then see their placements in their lifetime. Not only lifetime, see the behavior of their students, because we always say the reflection of a teacher is the student. Whatever the teacher does, good or bad, the same you can see in the face of the student. That is true. Another you have seen in the history of mathematics, I requested Professor S. Jitani, who was former chairman, NBHM Bombay, TIFR, and now he is in DAE, run like nicer, Bhubaneswar. They have another center at Bombay. He also said, yes, you go ahead and I will come and support you. So, dear friends, you have seen Professor Dani also and his lectures. The next come to the Professor A.P. Singh. Professor A.P. Singh, Professor of Mathematics, Central University of Rajasthan, and sometimes he was the Vice Chancellor of the university also. I have given one definition for him to my Vice Chancellor yesterday, that he is a good teacher. This is what I said. And when we invited him, he said, I shall try. First he said, I will come. Very next day, he said, I may not come. The reason behind that is, he said, I am retired and I am the professor here, so my number of leaves are always limited, and it was learned from the department, that is the administrative department, that I exhausted all leaves. I think only one leave is left with me. So dear friends, I know him very well. I requested him, okay, if you won't come on Friday, try to start on Saturday, reach here Saturday night, stay Sunday half, and leave Sunday evening. With the hope that when the participants come, they may enjoy the depth of the mathematics. This is what the Professor A.P. Singh. You have seen Professor R.P. Pant also, solo author. He loves to work alone, and most of his papers are solo authored papers. And he has contributed in the fixed point theory and applications very well. So like that, you have seen, we invited Professor Shea Park from South Korea, Seoul National University, Korea. Now you can see him and how a man is, just for the sake of their interest to visit us, to deliver what he has done so far. He said one thing very clear. I want to share that part also. That even now these days in Korea, when the mathematicians are intent to speak something about mathematics, they are not willing to attend those lectures. This is what is happening even in South Korea. So he was afraid of such things, that is going to happen, what is going to happen in future even in South Korea. So like that, friends, there are many more, and you have seen Professor B.K. Sharma, Professor H.K. Pathak. Of course, he was not well yesterday, so he left after some time, but he has shown his presence here. And as I said, some more dignitaries here from Banaras Hindu Vishwavidyalaya, okay, and other universities, IITs, NITs, central universities, state universities, good number of colleges. Overall, 17 states researchers participated in this conference, and this is the great achievement of this conference, friends. And in the 17 states, some of the students they are MS students, just PG students, and they want to have the experience of knowing the content. The boy from IIT Patna, I do remember, if he is here, so definitely I think you can see him. IIT Patna, he is just a student, and he intend to know what is research, how they speak, how they present. So he asked me before coming over here, sir, I can't present a paper because I am not in a position to write anything. But I want to know how to write a paper, how to present a paper. I want to be a participant. This is what there are not only he, there are many other students also. One more thing, friends, related to the girls, the research scholars, girls, they are also participated very well. Late evenings, midnight 3:30, midnight 1:30, 5 o'clock, they are at railway stations. You can understand their affinity towards mathematics, mathematics learning, for presenting their research of mathematics. So like that, the girls are also, this time girls number is also very high. So this is what slowly it is going on, and other things you have seen like boarding and lodging and transportation, the printed material. So dear friends, from here I have to announce one more thing, that we are going to publish proceedings as well as we are going to publish an edited book also. So the talks are on. Some publishers agreed. We are at almost in a 15 days or 1 month in a final shape. So once we get the contract with them, we send the invitations to all the participated candidates or participated scholars, faculty members, researchers, senior or junior, whomsoever it may be, for their write-ups, for their drafts. Those who are interested, they can submit the full length papers. It will be peer reviewed papers, and after the peer review, it will publish in any one of them. So this is what a short, I can say brief details of the conference happened from 24th, 23rd of this month to today, the last day. So I am highly thankful to my delegates that they come over here, attended. Of course, some, I can say some problems must be here. Shortcuts are there, because of the new guest house and the first day and hectic chamber presentations yesterday. I am thankful for your kind patience that what I am expressing all those things. Last but not the least, I must, because I'm going to come again here, so I must thankful to each member of my department, in particular my dean and my senior Professor A.S. Randive, who is always with me. Even this morning at 7 o'clock, I called him and I said, come to the department. So he was with me till 8:30 to finalize the sessions. We were checking each abstract presented till yesterday, and we have prepared the rest of this abstract for today's presentation. This was done. So you can understand his generousness, that how he do things. My sincere thanks to Manish Gupta also, who has given the job for sending the acceptance letters to the participants and delegates also. So this job was done. I think if 2 or 3 are here and there, it doesn't mean he's not good. He's an excellent. He has given 100% performance for this. So I must expect the clap for my both colleagues. Another colleague, Dr. Sandeep Singh, So I always say that हिंदी में कहा जाता है जानवरों में एक कीड़ा लगता है, कीड़ा, और वो जो कीड़ा होता है वो जानवरों में लग के खून को चूसता है, और वो तब तक खून चूसता है जब तक वो अपना पेट नहीं भर लेता, और एक बार पूरा खून चूसने के बाद वो जानवर से गिर जाता है। तो इसको ऐसे ऐसे काम दिए गए विश्वविद्यालय से कराने के, और वो सारे काम इन्होंने सक्सेसफुली टाइम लिमिट के अंदर इन्होंने किया। एक ही हमारा काम नहीं हो पाया, ऑनलाइन फॉर्म हम लोगों ने जो कंपोज किया था वो अपलोड नहीं हो पाया, नहीं तो आपका पूरा रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑनलाइन ही होता। वही बस एक काम था जो हमारी कमी रही, वो नहीं हो पाया। उसके रीजंस कुछ दूसरे हैं, टेक्निकल रीजंस, कुछ और भी चीज़ें बैंक के साथ में टाइप थे, वही एक था। उसके बाद में जो हमारे अदर कलीग्स हैं जो यंग हैं और हमारे साथ में काम करते हैं, इन्होंने भी जो है लाइक DS गुप्ता, DS सिंह, देन आवर कलीग उमा देवी पटेल, देन दमयंती चौधरी, so and other research scholars, our all research scholars, they have devoted their full time, and for the past I think 1 week, I think all of them were going late evenings only. One day my wife also told me that if you continue like that, so it is possible that you have no entry in their house. This is what so I am thankful for this. There are many to say, but I think if I start like this, then it will take a lot of time. So I am thankful, dear friends, and this will happen once again here. We are planning this time. Next time, what we plan is we shall plan in a far better way what we have done this time. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Professor Dev sir to brief about the academic activities of this event.
Thank you, Dr. Gupta. I think lots of academic activities have taken place. You have been all witnessing all these such activities. So I should not spend much time on this elaborating all those activities. A brief has been already given by our head Department of Mathematics, Dr. B.P. Murthy. Just I want to share a few ideas, few things. Let's enjoy a few more moments with Department of Mathematics. First of all, as a chairperson of the conference, I take every responsibility for every mismanagement that has occurred here. And I'm extremely sorry. I feel my expressions that I'm really sorry on all such inconveniences caused to you. So that is one aspect. Now let's go. I'm biased to Bendy, unfortunately. Dr. Gandhi is also from Maharashtra. So please bear with us. So इन कुछ गानों के चयन में अब मैं उस पर तो नहीं जाना चाहूँगा जो मराठी गाने मैंने चयन करने के लिए कहा था। ठीक है, उसके बारे में बाद में कभी मौका लगेगा तो चर्चा होगी। वो अंदर प्रस्तुतिकरण किया गया था छात्राओं द्वारा, और उसके बैकग्राउंड पर मैं कभी बात में जाना चाहूँगा। लेकिन एक गाना में फिर से ना शब्दों को लेते हुए कह रहा हूँ। अभी एक ना था, थम जाओ। Cultural evening yesterday, and when I was having my lunch with all the dignitaries, all the crowns and the jewels sitting in front of us, Dr. Srihari, Dr. Ashok Deshpande, Dr. Professor Hindad, and all those things, and we were discussing something, and Dr. Murthy was feeling panic. अरे रणदीप जी चलो भाई आपको वैलिडिटी सेशन के लिए चलना है। ऐसे अरे महफिल आत्ताच तो कुठे रंगात आली है। मैथमेटिक्स में मैंने कहा अरे महफिल अभी तो कहीं रंग में आई है। आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू इंटरेक्ट विद प्रोफेसर देशपांडे, प्रोफेसर श्रीहरि, कि अभी तो मतलब शुरुआत हुई है कि हमें मजा आने लगा है इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में। एम आई राइट सर? सो ठीक है, आई कम टू दिस एस्पेक्ट। जब मैं ये सोचता था कि मैंने अभी इनको कहा कि महफिल अभी तो रंग में आई है, कल शाम की कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में और अभी जो घटनाएं चल रही हैं उनको मैं इकट्ठा करने की कोशिश करूँगा। मैथमेटिक्स जिसको आप सर कह रहे हैं फजी मैथमेटिक्स, और मैथमेटिक्स ऑफ वर्ड्स, WORDS वर्ड्स, शब्दों के गणित पर। तो हमारे कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ को ध्यान में अगर हम रखें तो कुछ पुरानी चीज़ें रेफर करना चाहूँगा। सॉरी, आई एम टेकिंग अ लिटिल बिट मोर टाइम देन एक्सपेक्टेड। बच्चे हैं हमारे सामने, मैथमेटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट के बच्चे हैं, हमेशा शायद मुझे उग्र रूप में देखते हैं। उनकी हंसी कह रही है कि मेरा कथन सही है। तो एक दूसरा रूप भी है, सामने आना चाहिए। देखिए, लेट्स एंजॉय लर्निंग, एंजॉय एवरी मोमेंट ऑफ योर लाइफ। इफ यू आर डूइंग कल्चरल एक्टिविटी देन एंजॉय इट। मुगले आजम सबने देखी है। कोई ऐसा है जिसने मुगले आजम नहीं देखी? ओके, नहीं देखी तो अब जाके देख लो। मैं अपने बच्चों को जब फजी मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ाना शुरू करता हूँ तो आई आस्क देम, एक रुका हुआ फैसला पिक्चर जरूर देख के आना मेरी क्लास में। Am I right? Yeah. Have you seen that? एक रुका हुआ फैसला। Are you not convinced how fuzzy mathematics is applicable in real world scenario? How the opinions are changing. Okay. So let us start about this story of मुगले आजम। कि आसिफ ने मुगले आजम बनाई बहुत एक्सपेंसेस के बाद, बहुत नाजो नखरों के साथ। सालों लग गए, महीनों तो इसी में बता दिया कि जूती ही पसंद नहीं आ रही। दिलीप कुमार साहब के जूतों में पैरों में जो जूती आना है और जो पृथ्वीराज कपूर साहब के जूतों में पैरों में जूती पहना ही जाना है, उसमें उनको वो मजा नहीं आ रहा। कि नहीं, जूती तो बढ़िया है लेकिन मजा नहीं आया, जूते तो बहुत बढ़िया लेकिन मजा नहीं आया। कई दिनों बाद जूते खरीदे गए। ये चॉइस है। एक शब्द है मुगले आजम में, संतरी कहता है। अब संतरी को अगर सामने वाले को रोकना है, ठहरो, रुक जाओ, मत जाओ, अरे कौन है, सारे शब्द हो गए कि आसिफ साहब सबको डिस्कार्ड करते रहे। नहीं मजा नहीं आया, नहीं मजा नहीं आया। और फिर आया शब्द थम जाओ, और जो खनक थम जाओ में है वो ठहरो रुक जाओ में नहीं है। एग्जाम्पल, मैंने 2-3 गानों के चयन के लिए आप लोगों से कहा था, जिसमें से बच्चों ने मेरे चयन का ध्यान रखा। मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रही। मराठी कल्चर का भी आपने टच किया, उसके लिए मैं थैंक्स देना चाहूँगा। जो महाराष्ट्रियन यहाँ डायस पे बैठ गए अनफॉर्चुनेटली। डॉक्टर दानी इज फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र, सो प्लीज देयर विद अस। सो इन कुछ गानों के चयन में अपने उस पर तो नहीं जाना चाहूँगा, जो मराठी गाने मैंने चयन करने के लिए कहा था। ठीक है, उसके बारे में बाद में कभी मौका लगेगा तो चर्चा होगी। वो अंदर प्रस्तुतिकरण किया गया था छात्राओं द्वारा, और उसके बैकग्राउंड पर मैं कभी बाद में जाना चाहूँगा। लेकिन एक गाना मैं फिर से ना शब्दों को लेते हुए कह रहा हूँ। अभी ना था थम जाओ के आसिफ साहब की पिक्चर में थम जाओ, उस थम जाओ में जो खनक है वो कहीं नहीं है, तो वो थम जाओ निगेशन ही है, ना ही है। और अभी दूसरा नाम है जो मैं गा नहीं सकता, मुझे गाना बिल्कुल बकवास ढंग से ही मैं गा सकता हूँ बेसुरे अंदाज में, तो गाने की कोशिश नहीं करूंगा मैं। लेकिन एक गाना है यमन कल्याण में, यमन राग में और यमन कल्याण में कहाँ अंतर है? तो न शब्द सॉफ्ट लगना है, सॉफ्ट। सॉफ्ट मेरी समझ में नहीं आया, सॉफ्ट क्या होता है? कौन सा गाना है ऐसा जिसमें यमन के साथ यमन कल्याण और सॉफ्ट न लग, सारे गाँव पधनी सा न है ना। गाना ये है, अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर कि दिल अभी भरा है। निगेशन इसमें भी है, लेकिन किस अंदाज में निगेशन है? अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर दिल अभी भरा नहीं। So Professor Deshpande, Professor Herrera, Professor Imdad, this is my request to you, अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर दिल अभी भरा नहीं। गणित विभाग के साथ आपके प्रवास का आगाज आज हुआ है। आगाज शब्द को ध्यान से आपकी तरह मैं शेयर नहीं कह सकता। आपने बहुत ही चुनिंदा शेयर और एक ही पंक्ति पढ़ी थी, लेकिन बहुत सटीक पढ़ी थी। सो उर्दू पे आपको मुझसे अधिक हक काबिल है, आपका हक है उस पर, आपकी मातृभाषा है। लेकिन ये जो आगाज शुरू हुआ, ये जो शुरुआत हुई है, 3 jewels in the crown sitting in front of us, I request all of you 3 कि अभी न जाओ छोड़कर दिल अभी भरा है। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, थैंक यू।
Thank you, Dr. Sir. Now I request to Professor C. Rao sir to
say something.
Professor P.V. Murthy and my esteemed colleagues in the class, and my dear friends. So after a very great illustrious narration of Professor Dev, I don't know what to speak here. In fact, if I had known that he is of this type of speaker, we could have definitely had one lecture by him here. Because this benefit every participant should have had, but somehow I do not know how you are biased. Maybe your mind was fuzzy. That's what you are like this. You could have made a presentation on the first day or the second day, and where everybody would have enjoyed it.
Dr. Murthy did say me this, if I had not give some lecture on fuzzy mathematics, anyway, sir, I said, we are the organizers.
Oh, I see.
Why should we take some multiple person's time? If I spend 5 times, it is multiplied by 200, 300% sitting in front of me. Wastage of time, possibly.
Not only that, employers cannot be players.
No, sir, nothing like that.
Want to be a player.
No, sir, I can be a player. Definitely. Next time I will keep in mind.
Thank you. And now you said a few times that अभी छोड़ के ना जाओ something. I don't know that much of poetry or maybe shair or whatever, but I want to react it in my own way. See, remember I am in your house. Okay? Unless you take me out of the door, I cannot move out. In a way, we are all captives. We are all captives here. So therefore, unless you clear and give us entry pass, we will not be able to go out. So sending us out depends on you, how serious you are. Then you also said, bear with us. Yes, I have to do it because when I am in someone else's house, I will bear with that, I will bear with that. Definitely I continue doing that. But with all that, if any other opportunity comes as one more opportunity, we definitely will come here and be a part of this program. And this kind of conversations would make us to feel at home more comfortably. I mean, that's more comfort to what we do. As you rightly said, professionalism is something, and we enjoy our mathematics and research, whatever we do. But what remains longer in our minds would be these type of instances. So I really enjoyed the conversations I had with you and with Professor Deshpande and during lunchtime on trying to clear some of our fundamentals. That was something, meaning that I'm able to set my fundamentals aside. That was the point. Now, community conference and probably apart from our talks, Dr. Murthy has given an elaborate view of how the conference according to him had gone. See, things would always start at some point, somehow. And things that start would have to end. But what is important for the people would be organizers and the people who come here would be how they have ended, how they have gone. That's very important. But this way, I would notice my observation on this is that they have gone perfectly well and more than expected. And I found most of the participants in the conference very young, energetic, enthusiastic, and cheerful, and with a view that they want to learn many things to account. That much seriousness I have seen. And even the organizers, see, they didn't have much time to sit here, but moving always back and forth. But I never had seen any tiresomeness on their face during the time of the sessions. A non-vanishing smile always on their faces is something I always remember. If I had to be one of those organizers, I do not know how much justice I could do for the job. But definitely everybody has taken to the heart and did it. Yes, I think everybody has felt his Dharka function has something like that. Right? It is not Murthy's job or somebody's job. So therefore it's Dharka. Everybody was like that. And this was the impression I got. I have been to a number of conferences in India and overseas also. In overseas, that experience will be totally a different experience that people remember. When I was at Rutgers University, I just want to take your permission very well. At Rutgers University, I first landed in the US. That's in Princeton University, close to the Princeton University. There we used to have a strong group in algebra. And there were two subdivisions. One is associative algebras, the other one is non-associative algebras. And the chairman of the Department of Mathematics happens to be a dynamical systems person, very well-known celebrity in that area. He used to discuss with me always, Rao, these two fellows are really nuisance for me. I do not know how to extract work from them. They would not do anything. And then, true to what he has said, in a number of meetings he used to ask, we want to do this activity, would you like to cooperate with us? Then the answer was, one fellow used to say, you ask the algebraists, and associative algebraists must do it, I'm a non-associative algebraist. Okay. His answer was, my subject is non-associative algebra, so therefore I don't want to associate with anyone. But the opposite kind of thing is also there. They come from them because their name itself says they are associate kind of things. Okay, that was the main point. Then it so happened that one of the non-associative algebraists, he thought we should have a small workshop like this, invited celebrities again from all over the world basically. Then he expected there were about 6 of them in the group. 6 is a large number and for representing a specific area in those universities. When 6 of them were there, and then the dignitaries have come from various delegates, etc. Then the meeting has started, hardly there was only one person from the group. So when the chairman was very much embarrassed and worried, and then he called the other fellows and said, what is happening with you? They said, no, we are non-associative people. Among us also we live like that. We don't care what happens. It is that fellow's job. It is this job, not mine. I don't care about it. So this was the message. I thought in every institute we see some kind of tendencies like this, but here it went as a teamwork and as a spirit. There was a pervading spirit in all of them, and they have taken it cheerfully every activity. So this makes me really happy and feel really proud. And of course, I thought Murthy is probably one among many people here, but now I understand is something here, and that something is a significant something. That's what I understand. Even he turned it, he worked here, had kind of rapport with the higher officials, and then he put all his effort to make us in every aspect comfortable here, and we enjoyed every bit of our stay. The hospitality was super excellent and second to none. It's very good really. They have taken very good care in all aspects. I enjoyed thoroughly my visit here. Now, but for the participant point of view, if I just say a couple of words, and what ultimately that the participants have got, and I'm also one of the participants anyway, and that is everybody has to sit and make an account of those things. In fact, we have spent nearly 3 days here, and then 2 days to come and 2 days to go. And of course, much of it, the inconvenient part you have seen in commuting between Raipur and this place. But other journey was quite comfortable, but this was, of course, in nobody's hands, this kind of situations now. So with this, having spent 1 week here, so what have you got in return? Have you got something substantial that you could think of it? Or have you amassed some good ideas or collected some influencing talks that others have given? This is the question that everybody has to put to himself or herself, and then come up with a grading like that. Next time, if you want to come to such conferences, think about it, whether you can increase the percentage of your satisfaction here by involving in the activities and having discussions with people. In most conferences, what happens is nobody would ask any question. It's like bills that are passed in the assembly or parliament. Nobody will raise a hand or probably ask any question, and everything will be okay. In the absence of any questions or comments, we thank the speaker for his excellent talk, like that the organizers would say. This is a ritual. Every time it happens. That's the way it is. Like that. So what occurs to my mind is, if you have a very thorough discussion on something, maybe due to paucity of time, you may have to do it in separate meetings, then the things will be much more attractive and useful for you. Probably Professor Murthy is indicating that he is going to have events of this kind in future also. Probably I would throw a small advice, maybe I don't know how far it is useful to you, but you have to have selective gatherings in the future and with a focal theme, and people also come prepared with that, and the speakers also must be given time to have to prepare and come up with something what they are going to present here. And more like a workshop, I believe it should be. What is the difference between a workshop and probably the conference? I would do the kind of mathematical definitions for both of them. But the point here is, in a workshop we do some hand holding. So there are some I say junior colleagues or fresh researchers, and then we just simply tell them do this. We will be like going around and then seeing that what everybody is doing, and an algorithm we put there. We we try to elicit to what extent they have understood, and then they would get a feeling that definitely they have learned something. So this is the kind of thing here. So it's not like myself coming here and giving a more action than going out. It is turning out to larger extent like that. Everybody is coming here, putting their transparencies and playing some kind of acting some role, more action in this, and no questions, we go home. But this is also sometimes, maybe it's because of my age, I feel a kind of tiresomeness on my part. I want people to interact more, it should be interactive, it's a two-way communication, two-way dialogue. So next time if you see me here or any place, I would only come with technology. So we have to convert the research into technology. Recently I have been to China on a mission, and then where this was decided 5 years ago in Stanford University that the Chinese government wanted us on a special mission there. We went about, this is our third visit in the last 6 months we had gone. So what was the main issue there was how to convert research into technology. And this is an every subject. So they wanted volumes of material has been published. And fixed point theorem, there are so many journals and thousands and millions of papers have been there. So therefore, what is it? That we can extract from that the use of it and try to put it into a technology platform. So there I was one of the members sponsored by our university there in the US. And we interacted with many people. That mission is still going on. I hope next time, if there's an opportunity, I'll get some of those people from China, which is really nearby to us, to come here with their own funding. Maybe a few of them also come here, our people will get a chance to meet. Now what's happening is, yesterday one of the participants have told me, he's still here I think. He works in a very prestigious engineering college in Andhra Pradesh. Prestigious engineering college in Andhra Pradesh. And there was a committee which visited his college it seems. And he did quite significant work in the field of fixed point theorems. And the college management has told him that you are in an engineering college, so if you continue doing this kind of research, you will not be useful for us. This is a statement he made. I was very shocked about it and thought that probably what's going wrong there. See, in engineering institution, people are, whether they know it or not, they want a different set of teachers over there. So this subject, it's not very easy subject to do something. But still, that kind of things are coming up. So we have to teach all these people, it is our bounded responsibility to make them understand the potential of applications for this kind of things. And on every subject of mathematics, we have been working in China with the counterparts there, and so many things are coming up now. As a part of it, I have developed also so many technologies. Next time wherever I go, I'll go with the technology only. And no mathematics, nothing we talk about. So this is the way we should also have to orient ourselves. Because changing circumstances, and if you look at the number of graduates coming out from this country every year, and almost the majority of them are in the field of engineering, subject of engineering, and 99% are from the colleges that are handled by the private individuals, and all accredited institutions, IITs, and like prestigious institutes, the total number of graduates are less than 1%. And this 1% are also settling down in other countries and various other places, finding good jobs. But 99% people are not finding good employment. And that is why India's technological confidence would never ever will grow unless we do something for those people. Our teachers are largely working there. We cannot show employment for all mathematical PhDs in mathematics in the regular universities. Majority have to work in such institutions. So therefore, we have to start setting our home right. So educating creating opportunities for our own people and telling them how to market each individual by itself into this field. A bit of marketing is also needed. So therefore, I suggest that when you come next time, you also think about these questions. We put some sessions where this is also a point that should be looked at here. So we have some sessions which should be interactive. Like they would pose some questions, all of us would answer. You can also participate in the discussions, express your views. So that is important. It should not be a one-way dialogue actually. So let them take up a theme of interest for the education, quality education. Let everybody talk about it. So that way we can do it. That kind of sessions, one or two, I request Professor Murthy to keep in mind and listen to me in the agenda. Because with these few words, bestowing a lot of affection on me, talking to me very nicely. And this is a strange experience for us because this kind of thing never happens outside India. You will always be left alone, go there, meet some friends, you also say, come on, that's it. And here the conference is really wonderful, really, really wonderful. I enjoyed the visit of it. So thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for your words. We will certainly take care of your suggestions in the next time. Now, I request Professor Imdad sir to say this.
Dignitaries, the last question. So this is your dignitary, these dignitaries, and especially relevant to my young students. A lot has already been said about what we have already. I don't want to tax you anymore. What will I say? That as far as 2 points raised by two of our earlier speakers, especially Dr. Murthy. Dr. Murthy has said that कीड़ा जो है वो पेट भरता नहीं है, जब खून पीता ही रहता है, जब तक पेट में उसका कमी रहती है खून पीता ही रहता है। मैं इनको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि इंसान ऐसा कीड़ा है जो पेट भरने के बाद ज़्यादा खून पीता है। पेट भरता है नहीं तो पीता ही है, मगर पेट भरने के बाद ज़्यादा पीता है। आपको चारों तरफ देख रहे हैं। दूसरा सवाल हमारे कोलिग रणदीवे साहब ने जो है उठाया था, उसको स्पेसिफाई करना चाहता हूँ। हमारा मज़हब इस्लाम है, आपको अंदाजा कर ही रहते हैं। इस्लाम में 3 दिन से ज़्यादा जो है वो मेहमान रह नहीं सकता किसी जब जाएगा किसी के यहाँ तो मेहमान 3 दिन तक रह सकता है। चौथे दिन उसको जो भी अगर घर के लोग इजाज़त दें तो उसको घर के हिसाब से काम करना पड़ेगा। मान लीजिए खेती हो रही है उनके यहाँ तो खेती में काम करना पड़ेगा और जो भी है तो अब ये ऐसा इस ज़माने में कोई है नहीं कि मेहमान को रख के भाई तो रहो हमारे यहाँ। Thank you so much for this very lovely and warm extension of what you say. A lot has been already said, I've said at the conference. I would like to say something about our young trucks which are studying behind. You know that most important of any system are youngsters. Like here, whoever is studying IIM or anybody else, they are not that important as our younger generation is. Why? Because the responsibilities will be on you thereafter. So you have to prepare yourself. If you prepare well, our future will be better. This country's future will be better. India's future will be better. World future will be better. And try to prepare yourself well. Don't get any kind of complacency inside, because that will not help you. Like especially you are reading mathematics, what will I say? Mathematics is a subject. One of my teachers has said that you read mathematics and you discuss it intensely. First with your friends. If I say you discuss mathematics with your friends, you do realize maybe what is the fun in discussing mathematics. There are other things to discuss. But mathematics is the most desired thing to discuss. It cannot be learned in one stroke or two. You are a better mathematician if you are deeper. You are not a good mathematician if you are very shallow. Try to be deeper in your individual life also and mathematics life also. As a teacher, what I do realize in our system these days, you read each course and you read mathematics as it is a one subject. Don't have the boundaries of the subject. This is analysis, this is algebra, this is real analysis, this is functional analysis, this is other thing. No, that is not the case. Everything is one. If you take any course, you see one is the extension of the other. Unless you relate all your courses properly, you cannot be good in mathematics. First thing, anybody good in one subject cannot be good in mathematics. He has to have the idea, basic idea of every subject. So never have this kind of situation around, because if you are good in a subject, that will not serve your purpose. You have to read all subjects. So read mathematics very carefully. At the same time, discuss it intentionally and asking questions, that is the most important thing. Ask several questions to yourself first. If you have read something, ask question to yourself. And if you can ask question to yourself, then you can, some of them you can answer. One of my teachers told me once, when you have read something and you are of the view that you have read it nicely, ask questions to yourself. If you can answer most of them, you have read it somewhat better. If you can answer most of them, then allow others to ask the question. And all those unanswered questions will lead you the kind of habit you require so as to learn mathematics. And mathematics is a subject which is different. You cannot be like other subjects. You have to have a different way. Like me at this stage has to prepare my lectures, even today. So if anybody is coming in a class, there can be no heinous crime than to come to a class without preparation. I am talking of a teacher, what to talk about a student. So mathematics is a subject, it cannot be learned casually. And what will I say? By working hard and by intense focus, you can learn mathematics. What is the word focus these days? Very often. Mathematics require most. If you are doing mathematics, it leads you to a situation that you have no connection with anything. As soon as you focus in mathematics, you don't know what is happening anywhere in the world. If you have that much of focus, you can learn mathematics. At the same time, if you work hard, I will say, one day you create an interest, automatic interest. What is said? If your subject, your learning, this becomes your interest. This becomes your one of the priorities. This becomes one of your hobbies. You can do it very easily. कहा जाता है कि अगर आपका पेशा आपका शौक बन जाए तो फिर पेशा नहीं रहता. पढ़ाई को अपना शौक बनाइए. और आप मेरी बात मानिए, ये शौक बन जाएगा अगर आप पढ़ते रहेंगे. तो पढ़ते रहिए हत्ता कि ये आपका शौक बन जाए. और उसके बाद मैं दो शेर आपके सामने पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. गुरु हुआ है जो आपको कुछ मैसेज देगा. पहला शेर ये है कि आजकल मैं शुरू करूंगा कि मेहंदी आप सबने देखी है. मेहंदी जो है हरी होती है, जब आप लोग उस पर पट्टे पे पीसते बहुत खूबसूरत हो जाता है, अच्छा हो जाता है. इसको आप हिना कहते हैं. शायर ने लिखा है कि रंग लाती है हिना पत्थर पे घिस जाने के बाद. रंग लाती है हिना पत्थर पे घिस जाने के बाद. सुरखरू होता है इंसान ठोकरें खाने के बाद. बगैर ठोकर के कोई इंसान मजबूत नहीं हो सकता है. बहुत अच्छी सिचुएशन है, पड़ा हुआ इंसान बहुत मजबूत नहीं होता है, वो कभी भी टूट सकता है. और इंसान को ऐसा मजबूत होना चाहिए कि पत्थर भी उसके सामने कम होगा. आपने देखा होगा ऐसे लोगों को. मुझे नहीं मालूम आपके चारों तरफ ऐसे लोग हैं कि नहीं है. किसी भी हालत में अपने आप को मजबूत बनाए रखें. आपको चैलेंजेस के लिए तैयार किया जा रहा है. आप ये मत समझिए कि आपके लिए इसके लिए तैयार किया जा रहा है. दूसरी चीज है, दूसरा शेर में पढ़ता हूँ इसी से मेहनत से, कि देखिए अगर आप अपने आप को लगाएंगे किसी चीज में इस हद तक, तब कामयाब होंगे. आपने देखा एक बीज होता है, उसको आप डाल दीजिए मिट्टी में तो हरा हो जाता है. वो कब हरा होता है? जब हरा होता है, जब बीज का वजूद खत्म हो जाता है, बीज नहीं रह जाता, तब सब्जा निकलता है उसमें. जो शायद ने लिखा है कि मैं आपके लिए पढ़ रहा हूँ. मिटा दो अपनी हस्ती को अगर कुछ मर्तबा चाहो. मिटा दो अपनी हस्ती को अगर कुछ मर्तबा चाहो, कि दाना खाक में मिलकर गुले गुलजार होता है. तो मेहनत कीजिए और ऐसे मेहनत करेंगे, इसका फायदा आपको बाद में होगा. मेरे तजर्बे से मैंने आपसे बोला है कि आप अपने आप को इम्तिहान में डालिए, मेहनत में डालिए, आप बहुत अच्छा करेंगे. और आजकल के लोग, मैं ये कहता हूँ खुले दिल से कि आज कल के लोग हम लोगों से ज़्यादा ज़हीन हैं, करना चाहें. आज मसला ये है कि उनके पास वक्त ही नहीं है अपना काम लगाने के लिए. थोड़ा सा मैं अलीगढ़ के बारे में बोलना चाहता हूँ. देखिए अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी को many understood that this is a Muslim university. No, you should not say. This Muslim word is there. I can prove it right now. In Aligarh Muslim University, majority community is dominating. Like any good course, majority community is dominating. Like to take medical, majority community is more than 50%. Look at the engineering college, more than 50%. Look at computers, more than 40%. And the admission there is open by merit. There will be competitive test. The test will be there. Your answers will be there. Your marks will be there. You can know the marks right now. You are out because as soon as the result is there. So that very misconception. Many ask that this is something like Muslim domination. No, it's not the case. There is no reservation. There is no domination. And of course, the admission is not that easy. That I can say. I can admit. Like, for example, this year, we have decided there will be 15% admission, at least 15% marks in the test. Consequently, our seat in mathematics, we have 60 seats in mathematics. We were not able to get 60 candidates. Only 40 candidates could be admitted, just comparing internal and external R. This is what I want to say, especially to the young generation, because nothing has said to the younger generation. To me, my youngsters are my hope. We are our present, like machine will be our hope, but we are our present. Maybe after 2-3 years, we will be the future. And a lot depend on our younger generation, either they are participants. I want to say to the participants also that don't try to a way which is easier. हमारे यहाँ हज़रत उमर ने हुआ करते उन्होंने कहा है कभी छोटे रास्ते से मत जाइए, लंबे रास्ते से जाइए, मुश्किल रास्ते से जाइए, इसलिए कि आपको मजबूत होना पड़ेगा मुश्किल रास्ते से। अगर आप मजबूत नहीं होंगे, और देखिए जिंदगी आज बहुत आसान नहीं है, मैं आपकी बात करता हूँ, तो मैं और कुछ क्या कहूँ, पार्टिसिपेंट के साथ में बैठा रहा हूँ, मिला है, सबको मालूम है। मोदी साहब ने अपनी कोशिशों को हमें सलाम करना चाहिए, बहुत कोशिश की उन्होंने, बहुत अच्छा किया, आप सब विभाग के गवाह हैं। और इसके अलावा जो कॉन्फ्रेंस में होता है एकेडमिक इम्प्रूवमेंट और एकेडमिक आस्पेक्ट और खाने का आस्पेक्ट, तो खाने का आस्पेक्ट तो हिंदुस्तान में हमेशा एक्सीडेंट होता है। अब एकेडमिक आस्पेक्ट हमारे बुजुर्गवार राव साहब ने कहा ही है, और बाकी हिंदुस्तान की हिस्ट्री रही है, हमें उसको जीना चाहिए, हमें उस पर फख्र करना चाहिए, गौरव करना चाहिए, लेकिन हमें आगे के लिए होशियार रहने की ज़रूरत है, स्पेशली जहाँ हम खड़े हैं यहाँ से बहुत होशियार रहने की ज़रूरत है। और कभी भी अपनी उम्मीदें मत छोड़िए। देखिए मैं एक शेर पढ़ कर उसकी आखिरी बात खत्म करता हूँ। देखिए जब भी मौका मिले आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश कीजिए। आप लोगों में से बहुत सारे लोग किसान होंगे, खेतों से उनका ताल्लुक होगा। अगर आप देखें तो किसान जो होता है वो घास निकालता है, खेत में उनको इधर उधर करता है, आपने देखा होगा, लेकिन घास दोबारा हरी हो जाती है। एक धूप होती है, धूप जो है उसको जरा सा मौका मिले तो दोबारा हरी हो जाती है। तो आप सबको चाहिए कि आप धूप की तरह रहिए और जैसे ही मौका मिला वैसे हरे हो जाइए। मैं अपने नौजवानों से बात कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि उन्हें ऐसे मौके, ऐसे हालात उनके सामने हैं। हमारे सामने बेहतर हालात थे, आपके सामने मुश्किल हालात हैं। तो शायद में लिखा है इसी चीज को कि धूप जब भी मौका मिलता हरी हो जाती है, उसको काट दीजिए। अगर थोड़ा सा उसकी जड़ बच गई है, आप किसान जो लोग ज्यादा अप्रिशिएट करेंगे, फार्मिंग बैकग्राउंड के लोग, उसको जरा सा काटिए, दोबारा निकल जाएगी। तो शायद ने कहा, ये मैं आपको इसलिए कह रहा हूँ कि इसको, इस संबंध को ध्यान में रखें। शेर ये है कि हो के पामाल हवादिस न तरक्की से रुको, हो के पामाल हवादिस न तरक्की से रुको, धूप की तरह दब दब के निकलना सीखो। जब भी आपको दबाया जाए कोई बात नहीं, दब के फिर मौका मिला फिर हरे होने की कोशिश कीजिए। यह इंसान की फितरत होनी चाहिए। तो आप अपने आप को ऐसे हालत में रखिए, जब भी मौका मिले हरे हो जाइए। और बाकी मैं सबके लिए बहुत शुभकामनाएं, और यंग लोगों के लिए और अपने सीनियर्स के लिए बहुत आदाब कहना चाहता हूँ। और इससे ज़्यादा मुझे क्या कहना है, मैं अपनी बात खत्म करता हूँ और ये कहता हूँ कि मुसाफिर है तुम भी, मुसाफिर हैं हम भी, कभी किसी मोड़ पर फिर मुलाकात हो।
थैंक यू सर।